Hello my legioners and welcome to another little bit a travel show video, and this time it will be about the painting of the mask of a member, Corey Taylor from Slipknot, and his mask from Iowa era. I started like always painting the mask with brown primer color, and before that I just use classic paper mesh and few layers. When I'm done spraying, I start painting the mask with a paintbrush and white color, because the whole mask is in white and only few spots are black, like for weathering and so on. As you can see, I of course make some holes for the stitching, so again the few stitching for the mask as usual. After painting the whole mask in white, I start making the lines where will be the black parts, and I use a black marker for it. After the mark of the spots, I start painting with a brush and just black revel color eyes, and of course I paint the area around the mouth as well. Now as you can see, I start painting the area around the mouth and it looks excellent, I must say. Making the scar on the forehead and it looks excellent. I start making weathering on the holes where we'll be stitching, and of course on the cheek, and of course of the size of the mask as well, and don't forget on the heavy weathering on the forehead. And now as you can see, I start stitching the mask like always with few stitches and tweezers, and I hold them with a super glue. And here you can see how I make the fitting test of my mask on me. I hope you like it and see you next time.